Hi, Marilyn here. Well, I came across this interesting recipe on the internet today. And as a nutrition coach and publisher of a herbal magazine, I thought, wasn't sure how to take it. Now, it's just one of these weird things. You know what it is? It's pickle juice and peanut butter. Yeah, in a smoothie. Now, first I thought, is this for real? And then I realized it was part of a April Fool's joke. However, I thought, you know what? Maybe I'll try it. I mean, what could I have to lose besides some peanut butter and pickle juice? So let's blend it up and see what happens. Well, it looks nice and smooth. I'm going to take a sniff of it. Well, maybe it needs some herbs. What do you think? Did I put some cinnamon in? Cinnamon pickle juice? Maybe not so much. Ginger pickle juice? Do you think that might fit a bit? Maybe a little bit? I'm a chartered herbalist as well, so I use herbs all the time. So I'm going to blend up with a bit of that. Let's see. Well, do you think I should try it? I mean, it's kind of, yeah, well, why not? Okay, that's a bit pickly. However, what if I tried adding some things to it? Maybe a little bit of lemon juice. Maybe some blackberries that I have. Fresh blackberries. That could give it a little more nicer flavor. Gonna blend that up. Oh, this looks a bit more like something I could drink. What do you think? Not too bad. I think it meets something like a bit of like a nut milk. Nut milk for some better flavor. So let's play with that. Gonna get some nut milk here. I've got a big container of soy milk. Now, the thing with pickle juice is that I like pickles, and it's good for you in the sense that it's good for your microbiome. Now, this is not opening very well. So, I'm going to have something a little bit sweeter. It's actually my coffee drink. Hang on. Coffee creamer. I'm trying to say. And I think this would be really good to add a nice balance to this weird smoothie. So I've got some silk almond. Try that. So let's see what that is going to do. I just added a little bit because it's sweet. I don't need much. Maybe like, like maybe a similar amount you put in your coffee. Well, let's see now how this will taste. That's much better. That's not bad. Now, this is how you can take something that's a little bit off. When you add the right ingredients, you could turn it into something that tastes good and has good for you. It's got a good nutrition balance. So if you want to know more about how I can help you as a nutrition coach, I'm the publisher of the Herbal Collective, please click the link below, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.